And now Harsh Punch Bread's another pathetic play. It's our version of Twilight. I want a vampire boyfriend. I want a vampire boyfriend, all that. I want a vampire boyfriend. Are you a vampire? Yes, and I want to drink your blood. Oh, you want to drink my blood? Are you going to grow you with a silly stick? I want to drink your blood. Oh, what do you think? Want to drink my blood? I want to drink your blood. What do you think? You're going to drink my blood? Ooh, you're going to drink my blood. Ah, you werewolf, you're not gonna deal with us. You're gonna deal with us. You're gonna do things. Ah! Ah! She's dying. They drink out the blood. And the vampire and the werewolf become friends. Forget it. I'm going with ghouls. I saw the vampire werewolf go out, two guys in the town. So what do you think? Let me know. 10 Harris over now.